Alright, so I got like a big sonoran bullfrog right. Oh, I can see his eyes lighting up, but you guys, I don't think you're gonna be able to see. You hear how loud that is? It's right there. There's like so many of them. But it's so loud. I can hear it from inside the house. His eyes are lighting up behind that bush. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to show you guys, but he's so loud. He sounds like he's struggling. One more.